Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a ComfortBilt pellet stove and you're trying to set the clock. Now it's a real easy thing. First thing you need to do is just to get into this set data menu, and to get into the set data menu you just need to press and hold the enter button. And when you press and hold the enter button you'll get up this set data menu, and you'll see that the very first option on it is set clock. So all you'll need to do, you can scroll down to the other things, but all you need to do to set the clock is just hit enter again, and it will automatically open you this set clock screen. And from the set clock screen, you'll just hit enter again, and when you hit enter again, it will highlight the hours, and then you can scroll up and scroll down to change the hours. And once you've got the hour to where you want it, then you just hit enter again, and it will toggle over to the minutes, which you then can scroll up and scroll down to set the minutes. Once you've done that, then you just hit enter again to the day, set the day in the same fashion, month in the same fashion, day of the month in the same fashion, and year in the same fashion. And when you hit your final enter, then you'll be done. You can exit out of that menu and your clock is set. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.